In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row-level formula in Salesforce. This feature is incredibly useful for creating dynamic reports that can give you deeper insights into your data. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. If you're not already there, simply log into your Salesforce account and you'll be directed to the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the app navigation items at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find the Reports tab. Go ahead and click on it to continue. Now that you're in the Reports section, the next step is to create a new report. You'll see a button labeled New Report. Click on that. This will open up a new menu where you can select the type of report you want to create. For this example, let's choose Accounts as our report type. Once you've selected Accounts, click on the Continue button to proceed. With the report framework ready, it's time to customize it according to your needs. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a menu. Look for the Column Options section. This is usually represented by a down arrow icon. Click on it to reveal more options. This will allow you to add more customizations to your report. Now, to add a row-level formula, click on Add Row-Level Formula from the options that appear. This feature is quite powerful as it allows you to create calculations that are specific to each row in your report. For example, you can calculate the percentage of a goal achieved or the age of an account based on the creation date. The formula editor will open up where you can define your formula using Salesforce's formula syntax. You can reference fields from your report, use various operators and functions, and apply logic to get the exact calculation you need. Once you've defined your formula, make sure to give it a descriptive name so that it's easily recognizable. After you're satisfied with your formula, save it to apply it to your report. You'll see the calculated values appear in your report immediately, providing instant insights. And there you have it. You've successfully added a row-level formula to your Salesforce report. This capability can greatly enhance the value of your reports by allowing you to perform complex calculations directly within Salesforce, tailored to your specific business needs. Don't forget to experiment with different formulas to see how they can help you uncover new insights from your data. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tutorials.